4 humans are sitting on top of Artemis II, the most powerful rocket NASA has ever launched. In the next 8 minutes, everything holding them to Earth will be thrown away. This is Artemis II, from launch to separation, from the inside of each stage. At T-minus 6 seconds, the core stage ignites. 4 RS-25 engines, the same engines that powered the space shuttle for 30 years, firing simultaneously beneath the crew. At 0, the solid rocket boosters light. 2 columns of solid fuel, each producing 3.6 million pounds of thrust. Once lit, they cannot be shut down. This is the point of no return. The vehicle clears the tower in 8 seconds. Inside Orion, it is not loud, it is pressure. A continuous force pushing the crew into their seats. Not a sound they hear, but a weight they feel through their spines. The vehicle is accelerating through air thick enough to resist it. At 90 seconds, the vehicle hits max Q, maximum aerodynamic pressure, the moment the atmosphere pushes back hardest. Orion is traveling at over 900 miles per hour, and the air is still dense enough to matter. The RS-25 engines throttle back deliberately, not because they need less power, because the structure cannot survive full thrust at this pressure. For 15 seconds, the rocket is holding itself back. At 2 minutes and 12 seconds, the solid rocket boosters separate. Burned out and empty, they fall away toward the Atlantic, while Orion keeps climbing. From inside the capsule, the crew feels the release as a sudden shift in weight. The vehicle becomes lighter, the acceleration sharpens. Orion does not need them anymore. The core stage carries it higher for another 6 minutes. Then it too separates, falling back toward the ocean. But here's what most people miss. Orion is still not free. It is attached to the upper stage, the ICPS, the interim cryogenic propulsion stage. The engine that will raise them to a safe orbit fires twice. First, 50 minutes after launch, a burn to stabilize the lowest point of their path around Earth. Then, an hour later, a longer burn, lifting them 44,000 miles high, higher than any humans have flown since the final Apollo mission. Tomorrow, watch them come home.
NASA's Artemis II crew taking their first steps outside for their historic test flight.